These are my tips to avoid premature lash extension loss. Tip number 1, rinse your lashes after exercising. The reason why you want to rinse your lashes after exercising is you have glands in your eye margin, and those glands secrete oils and salts. Well, perspiration. By rinsing your lashes, you're taking off the oils, which act as solvents to the cyanoacrylate adhesive. Perspiration contains salts. Salts dehydrate cyanoacrylate adhesive. Tip number 2, rinse your lashes after crying. We have different types of tears. Emotional tears have a different enzyme. If you notice after crying, you feel a little better. Well, there's enzymes in those tears. Tears from sadness. Rinse those tears off of your lashes. If you do that, that'll stop the tears from starting to dry out the cyanoacrylate adhesive, which will cause them to become brittle. And then when they start to dry, then the extensions start to stick together. I'm sure there are many lash technicians out there that wondered what the heck happened to my clients' lashes. They're all stuck together and they left here and they weren't. That is something that I discovered with one of my clients back in 2014. And I did some research on this and discovered there are different types of tears. Tip number 3, rinse your lashes after leaving a pool or spa if your head gets into the water. Also, if you are using SPF, because SPF has some chemicals in it that can start to break down the cyanoacrylate adhesive. Tip number 4, you want to use a lash cleanser that is formulated for the adhesive used in your lash service. The reason why you want to do that is different products have different pH levels. And when you have a product line, they are all chemically formulated to be used together. Tip number 5, I've made another video about this, a funny video, but do not brush your lash extensions when they are wet. Your eyelashes and the lash adhesive are very soft, especially the eyelashes. So if you are bumping your lash extensions and brushing them before your eyelashes are dry and the adhesive is dry, you are going to start separating your eyelashes from the extensions, which is what we call popping the bases of your extensions. Here is your eyelash, here is the extension, here is the extension. If you start messing around with these eyelashes, and this base gets popped, what's going to happen is that lash extension is going to rock. You're going to start picking at your lashes, trying to figure out which is loose. That is going to disrupt the other lashes and you're going to drop prematurely. If you have any questions about lash extensions, just drop a note below. I'm happy to make a video to answer that question. See you in the next video.
Like, nothing can slow me down. You can tap the notification bell. Nothing can slow me down.